How to fix Gemini something went wrong. Please try again later your problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, swipe down notification bar and then check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and then turn on flight mode for 1 minute. After 1 minute, turn off flight mode. Now go to Play Store. Click on Search app and search for Gemini. Update your Gemini apps in latest version. I have already updated my Gemini apps. After completing update process, now find Gemini apps and then long press on Gemini apps. Open Gemini app info, click on I button or app info. Now go to storage option. From here, clear cache your Gemini storage. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then restart your device. Press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After this step, your problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing this problem, that means Gemini server is down right now. After a few times, it will be solved automatically.